In this video, I'll show you how to make all videos private at once or unlisted at once. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Firstly, open YouTube on your browser and sign in here with your Google account. Once you do it, tap on the profile icon which is on top right corner. Once you tap on it, go to YouTube Studio from here. Once you are here, click on content, and from here you can access all the videos you uploaded on your YouTube channel. Now to make all videos private or unlisted at once, tap on this box which is select all, and it will select all of the videos you uploaded on your channel, but make sure that it will only select the videos which are available on your first page. As you can see, only 30 videos will be available on the first page, so it will select 30 videos. But if you have uploaded more than 30 videos, then tap on select all and it will select all of your videos from your channel. Then tap on edit and now click on visibility, and then from here you can choose your visibility. If you want to make it public, then you can make it public from here. Private option is also here, and if you want to make it unlisted, then select unlisted from here. I want to private all of my videos, so select private and then tap on update videos, and this window will open. Select it and now click on update videos, and it will update all of your videos in just a moment. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.